Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the research fellowship scheme under the government of India. So it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. Why? Because the eligibility for accessing this research fellowship is if you are having the MS or else the PhD or the MD. So all these candidates can able to avail this fellowship, guys. Okay. So here the fellowship amounts are also shown here. 55,000 rupees per month consolidated, and the candidates, if you are doing the post graduation at the end, that means if you already submitted your thesis, or else in the PhD if you already submitted your thesis, that means before completion of your post graduation or else the PhD or else at the edge of your program, then also you may apply for this one, guys. Okay, so here the fellowship as well as the research grant and overhead, so including all this amount for a duration of 2 years, the total amount you are going to get 19,20,000 rupees. Okay, so it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys, and please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this one. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. So here you may check down. It is NSERB India, that is Science and Engineering Research Board. So it is a statutory body established through the Act of Parliament, okay, Government of India. Fine. So you may check down. First, first we will go to the home regarding this SERB. So you will come to know what is actually the SERB, okay, and what are the different funding opportunities are there, okay, and what are the recent announcements are there. So that there is a call for different proposals are there, okay, in this one. So you will come to know all these details, guys. Anyhow, so we will focus on the main content here. So it is this scheme name is called as a National Postdoctoral Fellowship, that is NPDF. So by looking at this title, don't think that this fellowship is going to get only the PhD completed candidates. Okay, so this fellowship is going to get to the PG completed candidates also. So call for proposals under the scheme is now open, and eligible researchers can submit the proposals till June 15, 2021, so evening 5 o'clock. And while coming to the objective is, it is aimed to identify the motivated young researchers and provide them a platform to develop as an independent researcher. And this research you have to carry by your own, guys. So there is no guide and no subordinates also. So eligibility here is the applicant should be an Indian citizen, and the applicant must have obtained PhD or MD or MS degree from a recognized university, and those who have submitted their PhD or MD or MS thesis and are awaiting award of the degree are also eligible to apply for this one. So however, such candidates, if selected, it will be offered the lower fellowship amount till they qualify the eligible degree. That means who are at the verge of your degree, they are going to get the lower fellowship. Once after completion of your degree, then you are going to get the same amount. That means some little bit high amount you will get. And the upper age limit for the fellowship is 35 years at the time of submission of the application. Age will be calculated by taking the date of course of the respective call, and the 5 years age relaxation will be there to the candidates who belongs to SC, ST, OBC and physically challenged and the women candidates. Okay, and the NPDF, that is this fellowship can be availed only once by a candidate in his career. That means if you already applied previously, or else if you already got this fellowship, then you are not eligible to apply for the second time. And mentor must hold a regular academic or the research position in a recognized institution in India, should hold a PhD degree in the science or engineering. That means you have to select one mentor, guys, okay, for this research purpose, and that mentor must be regular or the research position in one recognized institution in India, and that mentor must have the PhD degree in the science or engineering. And a mentor shall not have more than 2 SERB NPDF fellowships at any given time. Okay, that means whoever the mentor you are going to select, that mentor should have only 2 students, okay, who are applying for the SERB NPDF. And yeah, these are the points, and you may check down. While coming to the nature and duration of the fellowship, The fellowship is tenable only in India and can be implemented any of the recognized academic institution or national laboratories and other recognized R&D institutions. The host institution should provide necessary administrative and the infrastructural support. And the fellows will not allowed to work with the PhD guide or else the co-guide. Okay, it is independent. It also normally not available at the same department or institution where the candidate have earned the PhD or MS or MD degree. That means in which college you earned your degree, in that college you are not supposed to do the work. And the fellowship is purely temporary assignment and it is tenable to a period of 2 years. And the fellowship will be entitled to receive the grants as given below. So as the amounts I told you, so the candidates who are qualified for the the qualifications, that is either PhD or MS or MD, they are going to get 55,000 rupees per month. And who are at the end, that means if you submitted the thesis and you are about to get the certificate, your degree certificate, then you are going to get 35,000 rupees per month. Apart from this one, you will get the research grant as 2 lakh rupees and overheads as a 1 lakh rupee per annum you will get. Fine. And the research grant can be used for minor equipment or the consumables or the contingencies and the domestic travels. Okay, whatever are there, you can use the research grant for this purpose. And how they are going to select for this one is, the call for application of this one will be notified through the website, and the application form along with the research proposal highlighting the objectives of the research work to be undertaken should be submitted online through the serbonline.in, and the applicant must identify a suitable mentor under whom the proposed research would be carried out. And the selection will be based upon the recommendations of an expert committee that will be constituted by the board. If required, the applicants may be called for the personal interview. And how to apply online is that, for successful online submission of the applications, the following points you have to remember. First of all, you have to register, and everything links are provided here. So you have to fill up the details, okay, user profile and the profile details, all these things you have to fill up. And the details including the project title, project summary, and the keywords and objectives of project. What is your work methodology and what is your research plan? Okay, and ensure that your proposed mentor is registered into your system by following the same procedure as a PA. And after logging in, the mentor is required to fill up all the mandatory details in the profile detail section under the user profile. Okay, so these are the details, guys. And the documents required in PDF should be prescribed format: biodata, age proof certificate, qualification and caste category certificate for the age relaxation purpose. Okay, and the endorsement certificate. Okay, all these things. And yeah, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you please go through this one, guys. And if you feel useful this one, then please give me one like and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them to work as an independent research. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also. okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.